Hi, my dear CBSE class 10 students. Let us quickly start discussion on 2024-25 mathematics paper. So if you look at your first problem, in this they are asking us to calculate mode and they have given median and mean. And you know the formula median, mean, mode related formula. What is that? 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. So in place of median, let us substitute 9.6. In place of mean, let us substitute 10.5. So when you multiply, you will get 28.8, whereas with 2, when you multiply 10.5, you will get 21.0. Now, if you take this 21.0 towards left side, then you have to subtract. So 28 minus 21 is nothing but 7. But here we have 0.8. So that is why we have selected, or you have to select option A as a correct answer. Next, second question, if you look at here, we need to simplify this. So tan A is nothing but see here on the screen, sin A by cos A, and cosec A is nothing but 1 by sin A. Similarly, sec A is nothing but 1 by cos A, and sin A gets cancelled. After that, you can write 1 by cos square A. This you can write 1 by cos square A, because after cancellation, left over is 1 by cos A whole square is nothing but 1 by cos square A. Similarly, sin by cos A whole square is nothing but sin square by cos square A. Now here denominators are same. So if you take LCM, you can write 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. When you cancel these two, you will get 1. That is the reason you have to select option B for this second question. In this question, they have given that kite is flying at 150 meters with an angle of elevation 30 degrees. So for this question, the correct answer is 300 meters, means option B is the correct answer. And you see here on the screen for the detailed solution, this is 150 meters and angle 30. So for angle 30, opposite is this. So opposite by hypotenuse, we will get length of string. So for that opposite by hypotenuse, we are going to take trigonometric ratio sin 30. Using sin 30, when you calculate L, you will get 300 meters. It is not 30, it is 300, because 150 into 2, 300. Next, in this question, they have given two triangles and corresponding angles also they have given. And for this question, the correct answer is similar triangles. Both of them are similar but not congruent. Why? You see please here on the screen. See, they have given angle E is equals to angle B. Angle F is equals to angle C. As per angle sum property, the rest of the two angles, means angle A is equals to angle D. So as per AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. But in the question they have given AB is equals to 3DE, means this AB is 3 times to this. It means DE length and AB length, these are the two corresponding sides, they are not equal. If they are equal, then these two triangles should be congruent. Since these corresponding sides are not equal, but corresponding angles are equal. Since corresponding angles only equal, we should say these are similar but not congruent. So this is what the present question. Next question, if you look at, in this question they have given 7 plus 4 sin theta is equals to 9. So if you take 7 towards right side, you can write 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is nothing but 2. And when you take this 4 towards right side, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. And you will get sin 30 is 1 by 2. So theta value is 30. So you have to select option B for this question. So that is the reason option B is the correct answer for this question. Now in this question there are two graphs, 1, 2. For this graph, 2 zeros. For this graph also same 2 zeros. So there are two distinct zeros. So we have to select option C for this question. Now in this question they have given this angle is 115 and they are asking us to calculate angle APO, and the correct answer is option A. Why? Now let us discuss. Here if it is 115, then rest of the angle is 65, because sum of these two angles is 180. Now this is any which way is perpendicular. This is a tangent is perpendicular to radius. So sum of these two angles should be 90. So when you subtract this angle 65 from 90 degrees, you will get 25 degrees. Now let us look at next question. Here a piece of wire 20 centimeters long is bent into a circle of radius this much. It means they have formed a sector. And they have also given length of an arc. So length of arc formula we know that, and theta value we don't know, that is what we have to find out. Means angle of sector we have to find out, and radius they have given 60 by pi. So when you cancel, you will get finally theta, means angle of the sector is 60 degrees. So we have to select option B for this question. Next, let us look at very simple problem. These are the two numbers 98 and 28, and HCF of these two numbers is m, LCM of these two numbers is n. So after calculation we got n value 196, HCF is nothing but m14. Now we have to find the value of n minus 7m. So when you find the value of n minus 7m, you will get as shown here. See, n value 196, 7 into 14 is equals to 98, and 196 minus 98 you will get 98. So that is the reason we have to select option C for this question. Next, look at this question. We need to find the rational number between root 3 and root 5. Root 3 value 1.732, root 5 value 2.236, okay, and pi value is 3.142. Now we have to find the number, the rational number between these two irrational numbers. So you can clearly see 1.85 is in between these two. It means we have to select option D for this question. Next, they have given this quadratic polynomial and they are asking us to find sum of the zeros. To calculate sum of the zeros, minus b by a is the formula. B value is minus 7, a value is 5. Minus into minus plus 7 by 5. So we have to select option B for this question. Next, let us look at one more problem or one more question given in the exam. They have given x and y values. There are two equations. When you substitute x and y values, in first equation you will get a is equals to minus 4. In second equation when you substitute, you will get b is equals to 8. So from this what we can do is, you just take these values a and b, put in each and every option. Then option D will be the correct answer because you will get same answer, 2a plus b is equals to 0. So we have to select option D for this question. Now let us look at one more question. They have given area of the sector 40 pi units, angle at the center of the sector is 72 degrees, and they are asking us to calculate R value. So when you substitute these values, pi gets cancelled and you will get R square is equals to 200. Since R square is equals to 200, you can write R is equals to 10 root 2. So we have to select option D for this question. Now one more question is there on the screen, and this is direct problem actually from your textbook. I think in your exercise 10.2, this is the fourth question. They asked us to prove two ends of a diameter are parallel. So based on that, you can directly answer these two tangents are parallel. So we have to select option A for this question. Now one more question is in front of you. Minus 1 to the power of 8. 8 is an even number, so you will get answer plus 1. And look at these two examples. If 3 is there, you will get minus 1. If 5 is there, you will get minus 1. From these two examples, what you should understand is, when the power or exponent of minus 1 is odd number, then you will get minus 1. When you get minus 1 here and plus 1 here, then only you will get 0. So to become 0, this answer or this simplification, n should be odd number. So as per this, we have to select option C, because any odd number, for any odd number of n, then only we will get 0 here. Now next problem, they have given two ends of a diameter. First of all, we need to find the midpoint. So this midpoint will become the center of the circle, using the center of circle, we have to calculate radius between the distance between these 2 points, or else you can calculate the distance between these 2 points. Finally, you will get r square is equals to root of 50 by 4. Here only should be very cautious. When r square is equal to something, r should be equal to plus or minus something. So plus or minus symbol is very much important, because most of the times you will select directly this, because it may be plus, it may be minus. So we have to select option D for this question after square root, after finding the square root of this root of 50 by 4. Now one more expected interesting problem is they have given 13th and 11th term. So 13th term is nothing but a plus 12d. 11th term is nothing but a plus 10d. When you subtract this from this, you will get 2d is equal to 6, and they are asking us to calculate d value. So 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, d is equals to 3. Hence we have to select option D for this question. Now next question is related to probability in that cards concept. So here first of all, look at the cards. These are all the spades. 13 spades are there, and here you can see kings. I think these are kings. Now they are asking what is the probability of getting a card which is spade or king. So 13 spades are there. Kings, here already we have calculated king, so remaining kings we need to take 13 plus 14, 15, 16. So 16 possibilities are there, or favorable outcomes are there. So to calculate the answer for this question, we need to take favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 13 plus 33, 16. So 16 by 52 will give you 4 by 3. So that is why we have to select option C for this question. Next, assertion and reason related question. Here you can see on the screen, probability of selecting a number out of 20 numbers is 1 by 20, but he has given 1. So assertion is wrong, and this is correct, because if probability of any event occurring, an event is equals to 1, then we can say that is sure event. This is a definition. So reason is correct, assertion is wrong. So we have to select which option we have to select. Assertion is wrong, reason is true, so we have to select option D. Next question, if you look at, when you join two hemispheres, one sphere. When you join two half balls, full ball will become, means complete ball will be formed. So assertion is true, but total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, not 3 pi r square. So here assertion is true, reason is wrong. So based on this, we need to select option C. Here CBSE students, this is just a paper analysis done by us. Don't treat it as a final key paper, because we are not official or authentic people to release key paper. So please wait until the board will release final key paper. Till then you can go through our paper analysis. This is just a paper analysis. Don't think that this is a final key paper or authentic key paper. Hope you might have scored very well marks depending upon our paper analysis. All the best.